September 25th, 2025. Okay? 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay? 4 more days until your girl's birthday, okay? One more day until your girl get to this water and touch this sand, okay? You hear me? One more day until I eat me some motherfucking good motherfucking seafood, okay? Like, I'm at work right now, and it's just like, why am I here? Like, why am I here, bro? I need to be on somebody's beach right now, okay? Reading me a book, sipping on a little something, something, taking some pictures, relaxing, okay? Getting this content,